Hi, my name is DeShawn Bullard. I'm known worldwide as the hair coach. My thumbprint is everywhere. I am the president and CEO of NeuroTrust Hair Products, and my products are sold in major stores nationally and internationally. So if you're having problems with hair thinning, hair shedding, hair breakage, or hair loss, let me turn your frown upside down, because I'm here as the hair coach to restore your crown.
Good morning, Facebook.
Hi, everybody out in Facebook world.
Y'all know I'm Antavia, and that new thing is about to go down. I'm excited. Thank you all for tuning in and supporting me. So, years ago, I was going through still wearing wigs. I was going through wearing weaves. I had a little bit of hair to hold on to, so I was like, okay, let me try to braid it down and add braiding hair in and put something on, because growing up, it was your hair is your glory. And I was trying to hold on to the last little bit that I had, because I was like, okay, I got a little bit of glory left. But not going all church on you all. But you know, God is the glory that you want to have, not your hair. You know, I have hair other places. You know, my legs I shave off to get rid of all the time, and you know, that's not my glory. So I had to change, become unlearned, and change my focus, change the definition of glory for me. Okay, so since I've been 18, I've been actually suffering with this medical condition called dermatitis psoriasis. And my hair was growing and leaving and growing and leaving, and what it's like is kind of like having chapped lips, but really chapped when you get the sores and everything on your scalp. So I've been blessed to not have inflamed or infected skin, because I've been able to take care of it. However, it's really affecting me the older that I get now. And my family also has a hereditary line of alopecia. I'm not claiming that. However, I'm going to go ahead and start over today and come out of this hair. I always train my young girls that I mentor on level 10 confidence. So today I'm gonna start by being bold and bald, and you all get to share this experience with me. It happened January 2017. My mother didn't know, my son didn't know, my best friend did not know. I knew I was ready because I went through a transformation on the inside. Am I ready? Okay, y'all, here we go. Here we go. There you go. That's it. This is what I have to do it every single morning. You can go around if you want to, show them the whole head. And I have to, you know, boost myself up every morning before I even put hair on my head to come out and face the public. And when you're ready on the inside, then you can change on the outside. A lot of people update their phones to the new, you know, whatever phone came out last month. A lot of people update their cars, but you're still the same person in those things or using those things. And so whether I cut my hair off or wore a wig, I had to learn that I was the same person. And before we started, I was like, can we just pray together real quick just to make sure I'm doing the right thing? Because I was trying to hold on to my little bit of glory, my little hair that I had left. Thinking someone I was not on this journey of self-love and walking in a stance of level 10 confidence. And when that happened, when the last piece came off and she took a little razor and said, okay, that's it, we did the wash, I felt like a whole new person. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I got a bald head, for real. So my wig's gonna fit.
Yeah, because you still put your stocking cap on.
Okay.
You're a different type of BBW. A tall, beautiful woman.
Hey.
And that's the name that I call my wigs now. I call them hats, because every now and then I'll throw one on. But if I'm in the line at the grocery store and I'm tired of it, I will snatch it off. That's how comfortable I am now. You know how in life something will happen to help you go on a little further. Black Panther came out February 2018. And it's funny because people would say, oh, I love your hair. Did you do it because of Black Panther? And it just opened up a conversation piece for them to tell them about me, who I am, offer them my card, and, you know, just to let them join my journey on social media. And so what I would tell them is, you know, thank you, but this was not my inspiration. you know, something else was my inspiration, you know, me. I was like, we give accolades and we give love and we show respect and give a due to so many other things, but we forget to look in the mirror and love on ourselves. And that's what I've been telling people. It's about my self-love journey, and it's about me loving me. And thank you, Black Panther, for coming out, because that was just a little thing to help me keep going. I could have put on a wig that day and Black Panther's coming out. And yes, I did go out with my African apparel on, Wakanda Forever, everything on, because, you know, it was something to show me that my black is beautiful.